Good evening, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This evening, I'll give a brief update on using PancakeSwap. Now, I mentioned PancakeSwap quite a few times. I've used it many times. But first, I want to talk about Refinable. I've done a video the other day when it was still in its ICO stage, and I spoke at the time. I said, to me personally, it was not financial advice, but it's a wonderful NFT project and excellent marketplace. Now, you can see in here the ICO price, as I stated on the video, was only 3 cents. Now, I naturally assumed we'd be going on PancakeSwap first of all, but it didn't. Actually went on a sort of a low exchange, which don't even hear about much, is Dodo BSC, another exchange dedicated to the Binance Smart Chain. The volume for Refinable was very low, but it's had quite a volatile week. As I say, it happens many times with ICOs. The people who bought it obviously want to get their profits. The people who missed out want to get it. Now, I missed out on being on the list. I applied, but it was so oversubscribed. Unfortunately, I wasn't one of the lucky ones to get it, but come today, I think 2,486, so they don't know the market cap. It's $3.06. We've actually had $4.13 in the last 24 hours and just under $9 this week. So it's been an absolutely incredible week for Refinable. We've seen the ICO price, as I say, was just 3 cents. Total supply is 500 million. Now, volume in the last 24 hours is basically 23.5 million. Now, you can see on the market, not much happening. This is basically this week. You can go through it all, but you hit the market, and this is where it really hits home. Where PancakeSwap, what a difference. Look at the volume compared to Dodo. Dodo's hardly had anything. What's that had? Basically $30,000 in basically transactions and etc. But PancakeSwap, as I say, is nearly 23 million. Just shows as soon as you've gone PancakeSwap, it's exploded massively. I just want to give a brief update because I spoke, this week about this ICO, and there's many more I'll certainly be keeping an eye on because it's such an incredible market. Now, PancakeSwap itself, their token Cake, they do regular burns. It's ranked 25, market cap 6.3 billion, would you believe, for such a relatively new exchange to when it came out sort of last year. Many people have done fantastic with the airdrops with PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Now, I personally do prefer PancakeSwap to Uniswap. I like the layout, but also obviously the gas fees are horrendous on Uniswap. It's no shock if you pay like over $50 or even $100 for the transaction, just for transaction, which shows Ethereum's crazy gas fees. Okay, but on PancakeSwap, because it's the Binance Smart Chain, when my first ever transaction, I was so shocked at the time. I think it was about 7 cents. And even now it's like 30, 40 cents, which is obviously a small comparison when you look at Uniswap's crazy fees. So that's why I prefer PancakeSwap. Now, there's many projects being built on the Binance Smart Chain. And as I said before, we'll go on the actual exchange. Also, as I can see, when Cardano comes out, with all these projects being built on Cardano, I'm sure there'll be another exchange similar to this, because you think you've got over 6 billion market cap on PancakeSwap token. Just shows how crazy it's gone. And now that's hence why these other people are starting other exchanges like your Dodo, BSC, and the Bake. There's a bakery one as well. But on the PancakeSwap, very easy exchange. Look the way it's laid out. You can see the dashboard here, the farms and staking, excellent returns. It's even got a lottery. You can see the lottery winnings there. Goes through it all, and you can see the total locked value. And you can go through it all, and it's got all these bits here, and it's got all the trade side of it. So it's got the pool, the lottery down the side. You've got the info bit here. If you hit the info, you can get every token possible on there. You can see all the pairs and your accounts now. So basically, if you want to go on trade now, if I'll just give you a brief overview how it works. Now, basically, when you do it, what I've got here is on the Chrome, I've got the extension. So you can see I've actually selected Binance Chain Wallet. So you can pin that, unpin it. It's actively on there. Now, on here, states there, unlock wallet. Now, when you unlock the wallet, this gives you the options of what you can connect PancakeSwap to your wallet. Now, PancakeSwap never has any access to your funds. It's purely an intermediary to get these tokens, but you connect it to your wallet. Now, you've got obviously MetaMask, we spoke before. You can link your Binance Smart Chain wallet to MetaMask. Obviously, it was designed for Ethereum, and that's its main focus, but you can connect it. Trust Wallet, very good. I've never used Math Wallet, Token Pocket, or Wallet Connect. I've got the Binance Chain Wallet, which also I've been using for quite a while. Now, if you've never used it before or don't own it, all you have to do is click there, and it takes you to another page where you basically, it doesn't take long at all. You basically get, your wallet where you sign up, you do your strong password, you get your 12 seed phrases. Now, obviously, we've mentioned before, they're absolutely imperative you write them down and store them in a safe place, because there is no custom support if you lose your login or your seed phrases. That's the whole point of them. No one else has them ever, and it's impossible for someone to know them. So put it in a safe, put it in a fireproof bag, store it very securely. Lose that, you've lost all your funds. Very important. So hit Binance Chain Wallet. Now, you can see here, I haven't got much on here at the moment. For instance, I've got some Bondly. That's one instantly comes to mind. You see I've got 348. So if I wanted to put that into, say, let's put it into WBNB. Now, when you go on CoinMarketCap and you find these tokens, these BSC tokens that you really want to get, you'll see most of the trading pairs. It doesn't say BNB dot whatever, for instance, like Fine or Fineable. It's WBNB, the wrapped version, okay, which many do. You know, we've spoken before about Ecomi. They have a wrapped Ecomi. It's just the way they do it. So if I want to just basically transfer this, I'll just want to go, so you see there, I've got it up there, I've got the exchange, Bondly to WBNB. That's all I want to do. Okay, so you hit there, then it'll give up. So just by touching that balance there, I'm all connected. And all you have to do is just swap. That's all you have to do. I want to swap my Bondly for WBNB. And that's it. You can see there, confirm swap. Now, I'm not actually I don't actually lose my Bondly. I'm just literally doing it for the sake of the video. So all you do is there is confirm swap. It then takes you to your Binance Smart Chain wallet. You hit confirm, comes back to this page and it's done. It's such an easy process. But obviously, you know, I really like Bondly. I need to do a dedicated video on that. So I'm actually going to keep it. I'm not going to do it, keep, you know, my little fees keep going. So I'm actually going to keep it. So there's your Bondly on there. But it's so easy to transfer to the other tokens. But if you want to deposit, now what you do, you hit that there, because this is my Binance Smart Chain network, and it's simply receive. Now obviously I'll connect this with my Binance website with my receive. So if I want to receive my BNB from Binance, I'll put that address obviously in Binance, like I've showed you many times before. So I bought my BNB on Binance. That's why BNB itself has gone up so rapidly. Huge amount of products being built now on BSC. So receive there, got it. Just hit that, go Binance, send there, very, very minimal fees. And all of a sudden I've now got my BNB on here. It's connected to it, PancakeSwap, so I can sell and do whatever I want to do. Okay, that's how easy PancakeSwap is. So it's just a general overview, really. I say they have no access to your funds, PancakeSwap. So I want to keep my Bondly on here. So I really do like the project, but to actually send BNBs a dollar. So here I've got all these that I can basically play about with. Very low fees, very quick, very easy to use PancakeSwap, and it's just a simple process. Now, I say once I've done that, if I did want to swap, that just is a very quick another page connecting your Binance wallet, confirm, job done. Very simple, easy to use. But as I say, anyone need help as usual, anyone got stuck on PancakeSwap or frustrated, just let me know. Email me info@cryptostrang.com. All my social media links below. It's relatively straightforward, but just obviously just need to connect it. But I say certainly up here, keep a track of your extensions and you'll see it there. Thanks very much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Do another video soon. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye now.